days feel so happy and gay when you can just be by the sea, just hanging out, letting your toes twinkle in the sand, and listening to the sound of the waves, enjoying the scenery around you, just slowing down and taking it easy, just chilling out by the sea and relaxing and loving the sky, the blue clouds above, the white patches. It's so nice just to take time for ourselves, just to really know that these are the things that really join us with life and fill us with vitality and help us to really move on. Because there's so many things that are hard in life, so many things that really just help us to fall apart sometimes. But at the essence, you can stop and say and appreciate nature. And when you do, there is a fullness that you can have that you just can't get anyplace else. Some people just like simply just to go to the garden in the morning and sit and just be quiet with the birds and, not the people who drink coffee or even tea, but coffee drinking, I don't know, maybe because I drink coffee while I'm saying that. I don't know, but I guess it has to be the same for any hot beverage or any beverage. It doesn't matter, hot, cold, orange juice, come on. I like orange juice. I'm just saying, just even participating where you separate yourself from the usual environment and do something that is outside. It just does something so different. And when you can drive a while and go to different places and do different things, just on one, it really does amazing things. It reunites you to go back to the places that you have to visit every day. So we don't always have this time, but when we do, we should really take advantage of it, We should really use it and enjoy it, because that is life, and these are the things around us that we have. These are the things that came with us. They're the package, So obviously if they're the package, it means something. And this is a package